Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We know that you like this type of video. That's why we're back for more. Today, we will share with you a great way to earn money online by creating educational and tutorial videos. We will show you 2 websites that you will use to earn some passive income on the internet. So if you're interested, watch until the end. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first step is to go to Skillshare.com. This website is where they can search for different online workshops, video training, and courses to learn about something or master a new skill. Right on top of the homepage is the Explore button, where people may come to know something new, such as animation, graphic design, or even music or photography. There are so many different courses that people can join and view videos on this platform. So how we're going to make money from this Skillshare? Well, that's what we're going to talk about next. When you scroll to the button of the homepage, you'll see the Become a Teacher link. Click on that button, and it will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Once you become a teacher, you can start uploading videos. It will be much easier than you think, and I'll show you everything step by step in this video. So teaching on Skillshare.com works by constructing your class, then posting videos about that class. You can begin by making money on Skillshare when others join and view your video. That's it. They will pay you every minute. Yes, you read it correctly. You get paid every minute that people view your videos or take your lessons. And many individuals make thousands of dollars a year on this platform. This information can be read on their website. When you look at the How can I make money on Skillshare.com section, you'll see that you get accurate monthly royalties depending on the number of minutes people view your videos and a referral incentive. So you go ahead and click on the green Start a Class button. It will take you to the page where you can actually upload videos to Skillshare.com. But first, let's go to the Explore page again. For example, in this graphic design category, you can find many classes with over 1 million followers. Millions of people and visitors come to Skillshare every day looking for videos and courses to watch and learn about new skills. You could take advantage of this opportunity and be the one to make money online by leveraging this incredible system. For example, one class has so many videos, each just about 1 to 5 minutes long. All of them are straightforward and short videos. It is an excellent way for you to generate passive revenue. Once you copy and paste the video here, people worldwide will find your videos on Skillshare organically without you having to do any work to promote them. Skillshare would do the hard work and promotion for you to bring people onto their website to find and watch videos, making you money even while you're sleeping, traveling, or working on something else. Many people actively view videos on this playlist 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, the second website we will show you is Renderforest.com. This is the website where we will obtain videos for free to post. It is a highly respectable firm where you can design logos, videos, mock-up websites, and various other things. But we want to concentrate on making videos. So all you have to do is go to the top of the homepage and click on Create Videos. It will send you to the page where there are different video templates. You can get a lot of these done for you for free. They're all very professional, and you can get all of these videos with no payment. You can do everything on your phone or your computer. For this video, we will select the whiteboard animation toolkits. These templates are so popular because many people enjoy whiteboard learning, and it's very suitable to upload on Skillshare.com as a training course. These are really popular right now because they have 1,000 ratings and 4.45 stars out of 5 stars on average. Would like to show you a demo of what it looks like over this whiteboard tutorial video template. They're pretty easy to comprehend, they're highly professional, and you can use all of them for your template. If you go down below, you'll find other videos that other people have produced using this template. And that's 100% done for you. You can do the same thing on this website by clicking on a few buttons. All you have to do now is go ahead and click on this Create button and then click on the green button. Now, very importantly, there are 3 options from which you can choose. You should click on the Load a Preset option. Once you've selected this Load a Preset option, just click on this Create button. There are many ready-made tutorial videos that you can get on this website. For example, there are many free training videos on Renderforest.com about web development, cloud databases, real estate, and social media. So if you want to make a video about promoting an online education platform, you have to search for videos about this topic. Don't worry, they'll show you a preview of these videos. If you pick one, all you have to do is watch it. Or you can simply go and click on the blue button to use the video. They'll bring up a new page where you can alter something on this video, but you can do everything on this website, including the plots and timelines. You can change the text and wording on the video or customize anything. You can change whatever text you want. So it's pretty simple to go alter the text right here. And once you've finished modifying and experimenting with the text of each video, simply click on the style to move on to the next phase. Again, there are many templates available. You can choose a board, drawn, or cut paper style right here. Both of these styles are pretty fantastic, but we'll go ahead and select the board drawn style again. I can choose the colors to suit my style. Right now it's green, but if I click on this main color button, I can select whatever color I want. For example, if I want blue colors, I can just go ahead and click on Confirm, and they'll change the color to blue. Or if you want red colors, you can click on Confirm, and they'll change the color to red. It's effortless. All you have to do is click a few buttons, and the rest is taken care of for you. Once you've finished picking your colors, you can go on to the step number 4, where you may select music. Once again, they've chosen corporate motivation music for you to use. You can find hundreds and hundreds of different music in different categories such as rock music, cinematic music, and cover music, and you can choose whatever you want. Simply click on the preview to listen to the background music, and you can choose whatever you want after selecting the music. For example, in this situation, I choose corporate motivation, and I can just go to the preview, which is the final phase. And you can do this with a free preview. You will not be charged a penny on this website. It is entirely free, and you can download it from Renderforest.com. You can use the same method in different templates, different videos, and different storylines to create other tutorial videos. And then you can upload those to Skillshare.com, where you can earn money every time people click play and watch videos. And this is an excellent way for people all over the world to make money passively. That's our video for today. We hope you liked it. Share with us your opinion about Skillshare and Renderforest. Do you think it can be a stable source of income for many people? Tell them in the comment section below. We love to read about them. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.